National Weather Service issued a tornado warning for southeastern Alfalfa County in northwestern Oklahoma, northeastern Major County in northwestern Oklahoma, until 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:40 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Orienta, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and ping-pong ball-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Helena, Cleo Springs, Goldtree, Aileen, and Orienta. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.